You know how harmful the ingredients those makeup products are loaded with. That's why I ordered few things from Ruby's Organic. I love that they are honest about their ingredients. I ordered one stick skull in shade Beacon. I really love the packaging, the pastel colors, the clean packaging. This is a contour stick and it feels very buttery. This is their recent launch and I'm super excited to try it out. I also got one stick blur in shade Beat. Got this shade because I didn't have the lipstick in darker shade. I can also use it as blush. Next one is growth oil for eyelashes and brows. This is not a makeup but it's a nighttime skincare routine. The last one is this concealer. I have never used a concealer in my life, so let's see how it goes. I think the shade matches exactly with my skin tone and it blends really well. I was afraid if the shade is going to match with my skin tone or not because I was ordering it for the very first time, but I'm super happy that it matches exactly. So now let's go and try it out. Okay, so I applied just face cream on my skin and nothing else. My skin is doing really well these days. If you find me look somewhere else, I am looking at the small screen of the camera to apply makeup. First, let's start with the concealer. They said to apply just one dot under the eye, so let's do that. To blend it, I'm going to use this teeny tiny sponge.
Looks a little white, but I think it will set with some time.
I am super excited to try this one. The sculpt stick is for creating shadows and playing with lights. It's super smooth and really easy to blend. I hope you are able to see the difference on the camera. Now let's do the other side. I'm going to apply it on my nose as well, just a little bit. I love how it looks on my face. Now let's add some colors. This is a blur stick that you can apply as lipstick, blush and eyeshadow. I'm going to apply very little right now, but you can definitely build it up depending on the event and your liking. Blush time is my most favorite time doing makeup. First, I'm going to apply just a little bit to see how pigmented it is. It does blend really well and the shade looks really good on my skin. And I think that's it. This sculpt stick, you can definitely use it on your forehead as well and under your jawline. And here is the final look. It's simple yet something and I really like it. I'll try these products for few more times and share my reviews. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.